Here we are in Toronto. Welcome to Dream On Imports. Today we're taking up a Z, a 300ZX for my friend Remy, who's holding the camera right now. He needs actually the transmission and the full system that you need to convert an automatic to manual. And I think this car has still some good components in it. I'm not really sure, but definitely the shell, it's scrapped. There's nothing we can do with the body of this car. So we're just gonna take whatever we need to do the full swap, and that's about it. So here we are, Toronto, 6 hours away after selling the Supra and everything. So the car's right there, my man. So it has a V6, naturally aspirated. This car is non-turbo. Yep. So let's bring back this baby back to Montreal. We're ready, sir. Here I am, Mark, doing all the job for you. This is for you. Look at my hands. Keep laughing.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to speak, but you'll listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You're gonna see my name up on the flag. I said this shit and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on a line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, I'm like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. I've never changed myself, I've always stayed the same, no doubt. I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call it a comeback.